Welcome to my course about Docker and Docker Compose. It's so great to have you here. And in this course you will learn how to create a real project from scratch. You won't just learn some features of Docker or official documentation. You will see on the real example, which consists of 5 microservices, how we can improve our local development and deployment. We will start with the empty folder and finish with the real application which will be running in our production server. And there are no theoretical things inside, you will learn only stuff that you really need in order to use Docker and Docker Compose for your own applications, such as containers, images, volumes, networks, and much more. And by the end of this course, you will for sure be able to create your own applications of any complexity using Docker and Docker Compose. Who am I? My name is Alexander Kocherhin and I am a web developer with more than 10 years of experience, as well as a professional instructor with various courses regarding web technologies. I did my best to put all my knowledge inside this course, and I want to share it with you. So welcome on board and let's get started.